Hello and welcome to the Wings Across Alabama Self-Guided Creative Workshop. This self-guided creative workshop was adapted from Share Your Story, a how-to guide for digital storytelling published by the Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration. You can download and view the full PDF version of the Storyteller's Guide by clicking the link in this module. Today we'll begin with Module 1, The Beginning, Developing Your Idea. But before we get started, let's take a minute to take a couple of deep breaths and invite yourself to use the next few minutes to focus on your creativity. As we get started, please remember that you can pause the video if you want additional time to work through any of the steps. This course invites you to focus on your empowerment story versus your recovery story. So what is the difference between your empowerment story and your recovery story? Your empowerment story begins at recovery, following your diagnosis and treatment. It also focuses on strengths and recovery tools used to prevent relapse. It illuminates ways that sharing strengths and recovery tools can inspire healing in oneself and others. It includes choices, not just allowing things to happen to oneself. And it includes living the life that you want to live. So we'll start by brainstorming in any way that best suits you. That may include drawing, doodling, bullet points, music, or creating a chart. You might also scroll through your digital devices for ideas about how you want to tell your story. Allow your mind to roam free as you shift your focus from your early symptoms, diagnosis, and treatment to the beginning of your recovery through the present. Focus on your accomplishments, hopes, dreams, and aspirations that you may have for yourself going forward. So take about 5 minutes to work on this part of the project. Again, there's no wrong way to brainstorm your ideas. Set your own timer, and when you're ready, you can come back to us. Welcome back. Congratulations on completing the first step toward creating your empowerment video. Now looking back at what you did during your brainstorming activity, ask yourself the following questions about each topic. What is my connection to this topic? Is it inspiring and helpful to others? Is it relatable? Can I tell this story in just a few minutes? And are there supporting materials such as photos or videos or artwork that I can use to help tell my story? Once you feel complete, read over what you've come up with. Are there any topics that stand out that you would like to focus on? Here are some examples of focused topics. A specific wellness tool that you find supportive, such as art, exercise, yoga, meditation, music, writing, gardening. Once you have decided on your topic and the type of message you'd like to share, you have completed this module. In the following modules, we will develop your idea and create a structure for recording your empowerment video. Take as long as you need to work on this step. Our in-person facilitated courses give a whole week between modules, so do not feel rushed to complete them all at once. Thank you for taking time to care for yourself. Creating videos can be a great wellness tool to add to your toolkit. And don't forget that your empowerment video should be about 3 to 5 minutes long. Whenever you're ready, you can begin Module 2. I'll see you then. Thanks for coming.